Hi everyone, Leah the trader here from TMAD, Trading Mindset and Data. Recap of the market, so you understand risk to reward and how it all works. We combine it all together. I know there was a lot of doom and gloom on social media. We had Iran-Israel conflict lately. We have still the tariffs. We had a lot of unrests in the US. And it all was looking like the market is going to have a bigger correction. Some people were raising cash, which is all fine. It's all great to be careful, but you also don't want to be having expensive opportunity cost by not being invested. Again, for me, when these kind of things are happening, I usually keep my long-term investments unchanged unless I don't like something about fundamentals of a company. When it comes to ETFs that I'm invested in, I just don't look at it. When it comes to short-term trades, when I see some weakness, I have drilled stops on individual stocks. And short-term trading money, I always will cash out usually after a week or two, or I always have cash ready to go. That's pretty much how I do things. Despite the situation and all the macro chatter that we should be lower on the market and this and that, should have, could have, would have, our customized scanner was showing us that there is a lot of bull flow. Okay, technology fund was showing a lot of institutional flow. Therefore, we opened a position around 240. We're still in this position. We traded a lot of other mega cap stocks. Nvidia is in all-time highs. The scanner is basically built. It took over a year to build. It shows many different signals that are combined in the scanner that gives us an idea what to trade and where the money is going. And institutional flow, impact volatility increase. There is a lot of technicals in combined. We want to find stocks with really good trend where the money is flowing, stocks that are going to break out or they are in the process of a breakout. And if you see a huge flow into those companies, into those ETFs or stocks, you feel safe to go with the huge flow, right? That's what we are doing. Last week, when we look at the scanner, we're showing a lot of flow into crypto miners, especially BGMI and Iran. Let's look at the charts. For example, Iran, we had a setup at $11, 1030 was a stop. This absolutely was fabulous. On Tuesday, the breakout happened. This is up 30%. So that's Iran. BGMI also on Monday had a huge flow, pardon me, on Tuesday, and the stock is also flying. I'm not in this one, I'm in Iran. Now we have lately on Friday CIFR, Thursday, Friday, look at the volume. So that's what we are looking to trade. We have some stuff open from last week. From last month still. Snow, for example, it's already now at this point 4.5 trade. 4.5 hour trade is the reward. We are 205 entry, 200 is a stop. At this point, we trailed us up to 215 because, of course, why would you give back money? That's how we do things. We trail stops. We have very strict risk reward. We are CMG opened for some time now. It's truly looking good to me. Not only there was a flow, but this stock is setting up for a breakout, in my opinion. At this point, I would just have my stop at 53.24 just in case. But this one doesn't look bad. These are the targets, always in violet. We have IONOQ. This compression here is looking great. IONOQ is going to break out. We can see that it's holding well, higher highs. It's compression in price. XLK we have. And Zeta was another one that I don't like how it stopped out it didn't stop out yet because stop is right here, but that's now it's going to be the make it or break it situation.